earlier in that episode. Part 1 and Part 2 are the only way that you can enjoy it. We are picking up this week. Okay, selfie time, and we have got young Tracy on the line. Hello, Tracy. Your record collection. Am I looking at a wall? Am I looking down at a series of boxes?
You're looking at the wall for that particular one, I think. It was all on the wall in one of the bedrooms.
Okay. And it might be that I'm looking at this in black and white, or it's been crossed. And normally is that when I look at someone else's record collection, I can spot some spines, or I can read something from the past. With this photograph, I can see absolutely nothing other than the ends of the records. They're not the spines, I don't think so. I have absolutely no idea what any of them are. So take us through some of your favorites.